Okay, the other thing we got in, yes, I've seen other people around, but we've finally got Lancaster. Those that want to have a look at it, this is the Lancaster come in. This is the standard fuselage. Now this is still pre-production test shot, so the panel line's still under them. However, if you look very, very closely, you can see where the panel lines are going to go. Again, canopy crystal clear, beautifully moulded, all the details on it, all the rest of it. This we've received a number of the parts for it. To give you an idea of some of them. This is part of the engine bay. Now please understand they're still changing things around, they've still got things to do. This is the wheel bay and engine, the inner hubs, wheels. Now these have no detail on them, so they're still smooth, so obviously they'll be fitted with detail. This is interesting. This is we think part of the clip-on unit for the wing. We don't have the wing as yet. Top of the undercarriage, part of the undercarriage bay. This is all undercarriage units. This is the engine. Now there's 4 of these screws going to be in the kit. As you can see, you've got needle propellers as well as paddle bladed propellers. This is all the exhaust. This is all the exhaust mount. This is the engine. This is all complete engine parts. So you've got the Merlin engine, top deck. There's all sorts of little bits and pieces. That's the front end of it. So you've got plenty of parts in that. So that's quite detailed. The other couple of the other ones we've had. This is part of the bombing sprue. There's your cookie, things like that. This is the undercarriage. This is really, really interesting. Again, understand that some of this may change around, but that's one undercarriage lead. You can see the size of the detail on it is really, really good. Seems to be all complete. So if you want to drop in and have a look further at the bits and pieces that we've got on show, come in and see us. And that's all for today. See you then.